The trick to clearing hyperpigmentation is not using all of those products that contain steroids and hydroquinone. The trick is just a consistent and a simple skincare routine. I mean, using the right products and using them consistently. So let's look at this. This was my skin before. I have battled hyperpigmentation on my face and on my skin, and I will tell you from experience that I have seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. Like, you just end up wasting your money on products that won't. To clear hyperpigmentation, you don't need to use carotone, you don't need to use caro white or all of those lotions. You will only end up damaging your skin. Yes, those lotions are going to brighten your skin, they're going to lighten your skin, but it will end up leaving your skin with stretch marks, green veins, and skin tags. Yes, so what's the point? And the cost of repairing your skin is not funny. So the trick to clearing hyperpigmentation is not using all of those products that contain steroids and hydroquinone. The trick is just a consistent and a simple skincare routine. I mean, using the right products and using them consistently. So let's look at this. This was my skin before. I have battled hyperpigmentation on my face and on my skin, and I will tell you from experience that I have seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. Like, you just end up wasting your money on products that won't work. So today I will be showing you how to clear that very stubborn hyperpigmentation using products that are effective. So what is hyperpigmentation first? Hyperpigmentation is a skin condition that makes some areas of your skin darker than the others. And I like to call hyperpigmentation uneven skin. You know, when some areas of your skin is darker than the others, it means your skin is uneven. What causes hyperpigmentation? Sun exposure can cause hyperpigmentation. Your hormones can cause hyperpigmentation. Stress can cause hyperpigmentation. Any underlying illness, like maybe that causes you to take some certain medications too, can cause hyperpigmentation. Please, mind you, I am not a dermatologist, but I'm trying to tell you how to clear this hyperpigmentation using my own experience, because like I said, I went through this, guys. So fixing hyperpigmentation or uneven skin tone is not as hard as people make it look. You can't be treating hyperpigmentation and you are using a lotion that does not contain actives, or you are not even using any product at all that contains active. You are using Johnson baby soap and Vaseline, you know, that's normal Vaseline lotion, or this Nivea lotion. You are just the ordinary one. You are not using any lotion that contains active. You're just using that one that is just for moisture. Or you are not even using sunscreen at all, because some people don't still believe this sunscreen thing we are talking about. From my experience, you can't use just one product, or you can't use just one product that contains one active ingredient. You have to combine these ingredients together in different skincare products. By combination, I mean you need to combine, you know, for example, your body wash should contain an active ingredient, an active brightening ingredient. Your lotion should also contain an active brightening ingredient. Then your sunscreen, which is compulsory. And I want to say this, please, if you know you will not use sunscreen during the process of treating hyperpigmentation, don't even start, because your skin will be worse than before. In treating hyperpigmentation, there are certain ingredients you need to look out for. You need to look out for vitamin C, papaya extract, lemon, glycolic acid, licorice, alpha-butene, azelaic acid, niacinamide. Like, I'm going to put these ingredients on the screen. These are the ingredients you should look out for when you want to get a lotion or a body wash or a bar soap or a body oil. Because that was the mistake I was making. I was just going about buying hydrating products. How will I be buying hydrating products when I want to clear uneven skin? The skin is uneven, it's not the same thing. One part is darker, the other part is lighter. And I'm going to buy products that are for hydration. So I'm going to post the ingredients on the screen for you to see, so that in case you want to go out to purchase any product or you are battling with uneven skin tone, just look out for these ingredients. It is going to help you. These ingredients are all brightening ingredients, and they will leave your skin glowing, and they will also help your skin texture. Even if you buy these products that contains these ingredients, you have to follow the rules and regulations of treating this hyperpigmentation. First, you want to cleanse your skin. You can get any of these products I'm going to put on the screen because they are too numerous for me to start mentioning them. An exfoliating bar soap or an exfoliating body wash. For me, I just like to stick with what I know. I don't have strength to be spending money. I like to go for Kojisan soap and Medic's exfoliating body wash that contains glycolic acid and lactic acid, or even Olay vitamin C body wash, or Vit Gold amino acid body wash. Like, I'm going to put them on the screen for you. I like to go for those body wash or bar soap, or even the Ashanti papaya soap. Yes, that soap contains papaya extract and it's going to brighten your skin. So you can use any of these soaps for cleansing. Like the Kojisan soap, you don't use it every day because it is for treatment. It is exfoliating, so you don't want to irritate your skin by using exfoliating soap, exfoliating lotion every day. You are going to damage your skin barrier. So these exfoliating body washes and bar soaps are to be used 2 to 3 times a week. But 2, you want to exfoliate your skin. I am keen on exfoliation, either a physical exfoliation or a chemical exfoliation. Exfoliation opens up your pores, allows the other products that you use to absorb into your skin. And exfoliation too can also leave your skin brighter than before. So all those sun you've been working under without exfoliating your skin and use, but that's one of the reasons why products don't work. While exfoliating, please avoid using harsh skincare products. Avoid exfoliating your skin if you have injuries on your skin. Maybe you have a cut or a burn on your skin, please do not exfoliate. And before exfoliating, you want to determine your skin type before buying scrubs. So aside that, for body lotions, I prefer to use exfoliating body lotions. We have a number of exfoliating body lotions. We have the Amlactin body lotion, we have the Ameliorate body lotion. Advanced clinicals have their own glycolic and lactic acid exfoliating body lotion. So there are a lot of exfoliating body lotions that you want to use. We also have vitamin C lotions too. We have the Advanced Clinicals vitamin C. They also have their retinol body lotion. Retinol also is very good for hyperpigmentation. And please, if you are going to use retinol, I will advise you to use retinol at night. Yes, do not use retinol during the day. So as I was saying, even the Nivea Radiant and Beauty can do the job for you if you use it very well. I always emphasize the need of using a body oil. Body oils are very good because you need to moisturize your skin. You know that glow, that there's brightening and there's brightening and glowing skin. So body oils give you that very, very beautiful skin. So I'm going to be leaving the body oils and their names on the screen for you to, in case you want to purchase them. Lastly, there's something very important you need to note while using all these brightening products. Please, for the exfoliating body lotions, they are called treatment lotions, and there's a reason why they are called treatment lotions. You use them 2 to 3 times in a week. You don't use them always, and those times you are not going to be using them. You are going to be using a moisturizer. Yes, you are going to be using a normal bar soap or a normal body wash like the Dove body wash, the St. Ives body wash. You're going to just be using a body wash or a skincare product that does not contain any active. Like, that is how to get that very beautiful and healthy looking skin tone. So the days you are not going to be using the other brightening products and exfoliating products, you are going to be using a moisturizer. Very important. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I didn't want to make this video very long, But I just hope this video helps you out, and I hope you understand every single thing here. Please don't forget to leave us a thumbs up if you found this video very helpful. Until I come your way next time.